DJI's Avata 3 FPV drone has been making headlines due to a recent leak video, showcasing its design and potential features. The leaked footage reveals a chunkier, more agile frame, suggesting improvements in stability and maneuverability. This design shift could mean better flight control, allowing for smoother movement and responsiveness during high-speed flying. The leak also hints at a larger camera sensor, which is expected to deliver higher-quality images and videos. This upgrade will make the drone more effective in low-light conditions, ensuring clear visuals in various environments. FPV enthusiasts can expect better image clarity, making the Avata 3 a strong contender in the market. In terms of flight performance, DJI is focusing on longer flight times and enhanced obstacle avoidance. Extended battery life allows pilots to enjoy more time in the air without frequent recharges, while upgraded obstacle detection increases safety and reliability. These advancements cater to both beginner and experienced FPV drone users. With a larger battery capacity, DJI is optimizing power efficiency for extended flight sessions. This means longer operational time, reducing interruptions, and enhancing overall usability. Pilots can focus on flying without worrying about battery limitations. The transmission system is another major improvement. The Avata 3 is expected to support DJI Goggles N3 and OcuSync 4 transmission, providing low-latency video feeds. This ensures a real-time flying experience with minimal delay, allowing pilots to react quickly and enjoy immersive FPV flights. DJI is positioning the Avata 3 as a high-performance FPV drone, competing with other advanced models in the industry. By improving stability, camera quality, flight time, and transmission, DJI aims to refine the FPV experience for drone enthusiasts. As the release date approaches, it will be interesting to see how these upgrades shape the future of FPV drones. With these features surfacing from leaks, DJI appears to be refining its FPV lineup for better performance and immersive controls. Whether these details will hold up until the official release remains to be seen, but excitement around the Avata 3 continues to grow. Conclusion: the leaked details of the Avata 3 FPV drone suggest impressive upgrades in design, camera quality, flight performance, and transmission technology. If these improvements hold true, DJI could set a new benchmark for FPV drones. As anticipation builds, drone enthusiasts eagerly await DJI's official announcement to see if the Avata 3 lives up to the hype. Stay tuned for updates on this exciting release.